Today I'm going to show you one beautiful way of setting up automation rules in Trello. Now, any project management software would not be complete without automations. So right here in Trello, go up to the top right-hand side, you'll see this little icon, looks like a lightning bolt. And go ahead, click on this, and there are different types of automations. Now, the first one is described as rules, okay? And this will create a set of rules which will automatically respond to actions or schedules or a card's due date. Buttons are another way of automations, and this allows you to create custom buttons on the back of every card or at the top of every card. Here we've got email reports, so you can set up email reports such as a weekly summary of all your cards that are due within 7 days, for example. And then we have the feedback tab, right? That is not an automation. I'm going to show you how to do rules. So go ahead, click on rules. On rules over here, you can change how this all works. So the first thing you want to do is create a trigger. So when a card is added into the list, okay, so we've got a list name, you move the list from this list onto this, from this board, and change it over there. Now, these are existing rules, okay? What you need to do is click on create automations, and here you need to select your trigger. So what kind of trigger do we want? Do we want to move a card? Do you want to change a card? Do you want to change the due dates? What is it that we would like to do? You can also enable the advanced features over here, but here we want to move a card. So when a card is added to or created in, okay, let's keep it as added to, we are going to choose who it is added by. So we're going to say by me. All right. And then you have some additional triggers. So you can set more than one trigger. All right. When a card is archived, when a list is archived, whatever it is, you can go ahead and you can set this trigger. Once you are done, go ahead to the right-hand side, click on the plus icon. You have now created a trigger. Let us create the action that will be influenced by our trigger. So when a card is added to the board by me, go ahead and choose either you want to move the card, you want to add or remove, you want to change dates, checklists, members, content, whatever it is, go ahead and click on what it is that you'd like to do. So let's go ahead and click on dates. I want to make this card or set a due date, and I want it to be in 7 days. So go and click on 7 days. So basically what's happening here is when a card is added by me, mark the card as, set the due date 7 days. Click on that. Now you can add another action, but for now we are going to click on save. It'll go to the review process. You've now created an automation. So what happens here is, let us add a card. We're going to just say card 1. Hit enter. This card will automatically get a due date 7 days from the date of creation. That is an automation that you can create within Trello.